Lysosome. The lysosome word is derived from the Greek word lysis, which means destroy or dissolve, and soma, which means body. Lysosomes are organelles that contain digestive enzymes which digest excess or worn out organelles, food particles, and engulf viruses or bacteria. Lysosomes can destroy a cell in which it releases its enzyme, hence, lysosome is often called a suicidal bag. Is lysosome a cell organelle? A lysosome is a membrane-bound cell organelle that contains digestive enzymes. Lysosomes are involved in cell processes such as breakdown of excess or worn-out cell parts. Lysosome will destroy the invading microorganisms such as viruses and bacteria. Can a cell live without lysosome? Lysosomes are the membrane-bound vesicles containing digestive, that is hydrolytic enzymes like acid hydrolase, proteases, nucleases, and glycosidases. If there were no lysosomes in the cell would not be able to digest food and there would be accumulation of waste. Hence, the cell will not be able to survive without lysosome. How can we compare the lysosome with a human life? The lysosomes are like janitor because they remove all the junk and trash as like the lysosomal enzymes digest excess or worn out organelles in the cell. Now we will learn about interesting facts of lysosome. Lysosomes are like spheres with hydrolytic enzymes which can break down biomolecules including proteins, nucleic acids, carbohydrates, lipids, and cellular debris. Lysosomes are the only vesicles in a cell that have a specific composition of proteins in its lumen and plasma membrane. Besides degradation of polymers, the lysosome involved in various cell processes include secretion, plasma membrane repair, apoptosis, and cell signaling. Do you know how lysosome has originated and evolved? Origin from endoplasmic reticulum. Novikov in 1965 reported that the lysosomes originated directly from granular endoplasmic reticulum. Protein granules are often seen in endoplasmic reticulum, which, if pinched off, would produce lysosomes. Origin from Golgi. The accumulation of secreted products inside the vacuoles of Golgi leads to the formation of lysosomes. Who discovered lysosomes? Lysosomes were first discovered by a Belgian scientist Christian de Duve in 1955 through fractionation technique. The organelles were observed under electron microscope by Novikov in 1956. Lysosomes are devoid in prokaryotic cell. Role of lysosome in eukaryotic cell. Within eukaryotic cells, there are specialized vesicles called lysosomes that contain digestive enzymes which break down foreign material that may enter into the cell. Lysosomes can be used to break down worn-out organelles or bacteria engulfed by the cell. The enzymes in lysosomes are so powerful that it can kill the microorganisms that enter into the cell if released. Occurrence of lysosome in eukaryotic cell. Lysosomes are found in all animal cells because when animal cells take in or absorb food, they need the enzymes found in lysosomes in order to digest and use the food for energy. Lysosomes are numerous in disease-fighting cells such as white blood cells. Location of lysosome in eukaryotic cell. Lysosomes are membrane-enclosed sac of enzymes that are found in the cytosol of the cytoplasm of an eukaryotic cell. Size and shape of lysosome in eukaryotic cell. Lysosomes are spherical bag-like structures that are bound by a single layer membrane. However, the shape and size may vary among different organisms. The lysosome size ranges between 0.1 to 1.2 micrometer. Chemical nature of lysosome. Chemically, the unit membrane of lysosomes are made up of lipoproteins. The ratio of the lipids to proteins are 1:1. The pH level of the lumen lies between 4.5 to 5.0. Lysosome contain digestive enzymes such as glycosidases, proteases, and sulfatases. Lysosomes contain vitamin A and vitamin E. Lysosomal enzymes. Nucleases. Nucleases are important enzymes that hydrolyze nucleic acid. Nucleases are divided into deoxyribonuclease that acts on DNA and ribonuclease which hydrolyzes RNA. Hydrolytic action on nucleic acids result in the production of sugars, nitrogen bases, and phosphates. Proteases. Proteases include enzymes such as collagenase and peptidases that acts upon proteins converting them to amino acid. Glycosidases. Glycosidases like beta-galactosidase acts on the glycosidic bonds of polysaccharides converting polysaccharides to monosaccharides. The enzyme galactosidase acts on bonds converting lactose to glucose and galactose. Phosphatases. Phosphatases are acid phosphodieesterases which act on organic compounds releasing phosphate in the process. Lipases. Lipases include esterases and phospholipases that acts on lipid to produce acids and alcohol. Sulfatases. Sulfatases are enzymes that act on organic compounds to release sulfates. Structural role of lysosome. Lysosome do not have characteristic shape or structure, that is, it is pleomorphic. Lysosomes are mostly globular or granular in appearance. Lysosome is 0.1 to 1.2 micrometer in size and is surrounded by a single lipoprotein membrane which is unique in composition. The membrane contains highly glycosylated lysosomal associated membrane proteins, that is LAMP, and lysosomal integral membrane proteins, which is otherwise known as LIMP. Lamps and limbs form a coat on the inner surface of the membrane. Types of lysosome. Primary lysosome. Primary lysosomes are formed from Golgi apparatus appearing as small vesicles and also occur as granulocytes and monocytes. Primary lysosomes are surrounded by a single phospholipid layer containing acid hydrolases. The pH value of the acid in the vesicles are important as it changes activate or deactivate the enzymes. Most of the primary granules will fuse with phagosomes, which results in the formation of secondary lysosomes. Secondary lysosome, otherwise called as digestive vacuoles. Secondary lysosomes are formed when primary lysosomes fuse with phagosomes or pinosomes. The fusion also causes the previously inactive enzymes to be activated and are capable of digesting biomolecules such as nucleic acids and lipids. Compared to primary lysosomes, secondary lysosomes are larger in size and are capable of releasing enzymes outside the cell. Residual bodies, otherwise known as residual or tertiary lysosomes. Tertiary lysosomes are only indigestible food materials which have been left in the cell. The residual bodies or lysosomes pass outwardly and fuse with the plasma membrane to throw out the debris into external environment by exocytosis or ephagy. Residual bodies remain inside the cells due to failure of exocytosis and absence of some hydrolytic enzymes. Functions of lysosome. Lysosomes serve two major functions. Intracellular digestion. To digest food, the lysosome membrane fuses with the membrane of food vacuole and squids the enzymes inside. The digested food then diffuses through the vacuole membrane and enters the cell to be used for energy and growth. Autolytic action. Cell organelles that need to be get ridden are covered by vesicles or vacuoles by the process of autophagy to form autophagosome and is destroyed by the action of lysosomal enzymes. Heterophagy. Heterophagy is the lysosomal digestion of extracellular materials by the process of endocytosis. It is of two types, namely phagocytosis and pinocytosis. Autophagy, a physiological process that deals with the destruction of cells essential for maintaining homeostasis, normal functioning by protein degradation, turnover of destroyed cell organelles for new cell formation. Extracellular digestion. Primary lysosomes secrete hydrolases outside by exocytosis, resulting in degradation of extracellular materials, for example in saprophytic fungi. Autolysis refers to the killing of an entire set of cells by the breakdown of the lysosomal membrane, and it occurs during amphibian and insect metamorphosis. Diseases caused due to defects of lysosome in human. Lysosomal storage diseases, otherwise known as LSDs, Hunter's disease, Hurler's disease, cysticercosis, Gaucher disease, Sanfilippo syndrome.